No, I'm really thirsty. I'm thirsty. A warrior like me needs to drink something really refreshing. So I need help from somebody. Anybody in the house, please come to Knuckles the Echidna, please. I'm thirsty. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Knuckles, what the heck are you doing? I'm thirsty. You are here, so now you go give me something to drink. Anything will be useful. Anything you say. Welcome everyone to Cooking with Shadow. I am Shadow, and for today we're gonna be making water. And by making, I'm just gonna show you how to make a really cool, fun, water thing. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Really need to get a cameraman for this. Wait. Here's a really good glass of water. Here's a really good empty glass. I mean, sorry. Yeah. So get it yourself a really fun empty glass, something you really want to use, and then pour water in it. I'm personally choosing sparkling water. Let's do this. And then now you drink it or something. Yeah. I have to try to take it and. You know what? I'm just gonna call him. Knuckles, come here. Your drink is ready. Oh, thank you for your help, Shadow. I'm gonna drink this yummy, yummy drink. I'm gonna drink it all because I'm really helpful and really glad you did this for me. Yeah. Well, that's all we had for this episode. Guess what? Yeah, it's gonna be a really fun thing. I'm gonna do more whenever I feel like it. So, yeah, that's it. Bye.